Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are a computer science student, you have probably felt overwhelmed at some point. Maybe you are struggling with complex algorithms, debugging endless errors, or just feeling lost in your studies. Don't worry, you are not alone. In fact, studies show that about 90% of computer science students struggle at some point in their journey. But why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you fix it? So, one of the biggest reasons computer science students struggle is the sheer volume of subjects they have to tackle. From data structures to operating systems, DBMS to networks, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The problem? Many courses focus on theory rather than hands on application. The solution is to prioritize the core subjects first. Use interactive tools like visualizers and online platforms, and remember, it's about understanding, not just memorization. Another major struggle is lack of coding practice. Watching tutorials is great, but if you are not writing the code yourself, you won't retain anything. Debugging and implementation challenges make students feel stuck. How to fix it? So start coding as soon as possible. Even basic programs will help build muscle memory. Join coding competitions on Lead Code or Code Forces, and most importantly, work on small projects to reinforce what you learn. Time management is another huge issue. Many students leave everything to the last minute, but cramming doesn't work for coding. Assignments pile up, and before you know it, you are drowning in coursework. Fix this by setting daily or weekly coding goals, using techniques like Pomodoro to study efficiently, and follow a structured roadmap to keep your learning on track. Now, let's talk about another big struggle: fear of coding interviews. Many students are terrified of solving problems under pressure. They freeze up when faced with a technical interview. So, for this, start practicing coding interviews problems early on. Participate in mock interviews and gain confidence through hackathons. Also, working on real world projects and contributing to open source will prepare you for industry challenges. Many students struggle because they feel lost without guidance. Studying alone can be frustrating, and not knowing where to ask for help makes it worse. So, join coding communities on GitHub, Discord, or LinkedIn. Connect with your seniors or mentors who can guide you. And most importantly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Stack Overflow and Reddit are great places to get your solutions. So, how do you actually fix these struggles? Start by mastering the fundamentals. Don't skip DSA, object oriented programming, or operating system. Code daily, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Follow a structured roadmap to avoid wasting time. Work on the projects to apply your knowledge. And most importantly, stay consistent. Progress comes from small, continuous efforts. So, if you are struggling with computer science, remember you are not alone. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed. But consistency is the key. Small efforts every day will take you further than cramming before your exams. And most importantly, the right mindset, curiosity, persistence, and a willingness to learn will make all the difference. So now it's your turn. Are you struggling with computer science? Drop your questions in the comments and I will be happy to help you all. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning tips. See you in the next one. Till then, have happy learning.